How to set the default calendar time duration for new events on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen, we tap on Settings, and from the Settings page, we then scroll down. Now in here, tap on Apps. Next, tap on Calendar, and from here, we scroll down. Then tap on Duration for new events. From the list, you could select 15 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, all the way up to 2 hours. So in here, select a time that you would like to set as the default, and then tap on the back key, or you can simply swipe up to return back to the home screen. Now for me, I'm going to select simply just 15 minutes and then tap on the back key. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.